Welcome to this channel. In today's video we are going to see how you can convert video to audio. To get started, head over to your browser. Type in the URL box. Now we are redirected to Watermark's online video converter and you can instantly get started. Now we wanna upload our video. And as you can see on the bottom, it reports MP4, RMVB, MOV, WMV and FLV. So we gonna add video file, like this. Select a video from your computer. We gonna click on it, and the click on open. Now, this can take a little moment depending on the Wi-Fi speed, and the size of the video. And you can see, now the video is imported. Then we simply gonna click on start separate. And that's it. If you wanna download your audio to your device, simply click on download. Feel free to try it out. But for now, that's how you convert video to MP3. Learn more about the product from the official website.